Hi everyone, AK here. In this video I'm going to show you how to send a broadcast message to all your Facebook Messenger subscribers through ManyChat. So you log in into your ManyChat account, you click on broadcasting, create a new broadcast. Here you click, and then you just type here what you want to type in terms of the message that you want to send. What I want to send actually is I want to direct people, let's say, to a new YouTube video. Okay, so this is the message that I want. All right, let's click here the button, view this video. Okay, I can add an emoji. I don't know, where is it? Oh, okay, here. Choose something. Okay, let's choose this one. Okay, and then this is the, let's say, the video. Oh, not this one. This is the one. So I just take the link and I go back here. I would like to add a picture, so you can add an image and you just move it here up, which is related like to the thumbnail of the video. And here's the thumbnail. Okay, just to make the post looks better. And what we need to do is we need to add, if you click here, you can add the link, open website, and then you add the link here, and done. All right, so this is basically the broadcast that I want to send. Then you click, this is the, here you can edit it, and we're gonna discuss these features in a later video. And here you can see the final result of how your subscribers will see the message. You click go next, go with the first option. We're gonna discuss these options later. And actually I usually choose here, you can be selective about the time. You can send it directly to all the subscribers, or you can limit the time to, like, I usually send it whatever, like in the morning, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. So here I can limit the time, let's say 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. based on the your subscriber time. Okay, and you can add tagging if you want, and you just send. I already sent this, so I'm not gonna send this one, but I will show you how it did look. Like, this is how it looked when I sent it. And on the mobile it will look at the same size, the picture with the text, but this is, we are now here on the desktop. So once you click here, it will open the video. All right, so this is basically it's very simple how to send a broadcast message to your subscribers. It's very powerful to use that in your marketing. Thank you so much, and see you soon with another video. Hey there, AK here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like full access to the complete step-by-step how-to video series, plus access to a one-on-one coaching with me to help you build and scale your business to the next level with less time, effort, and cost, please join the Efficientpreneur Club at efficientpreneurclub.com. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe or share your comments below, and see you soon with another video.